Former New York City COVID czar, Dr. Varma, has been fired from his position as an executive at a pharmaceutical company following a scandal surrounding his behavior during the pandemic. In a hidden camera-style video uploaded by conservative podcaster Steven Crowder, Dr. Varma admitted to throwing sex parties in hotels and attending a rave at a time when he was urging New Yorkers to follow strict COVID-19 guidelines.
I actually was the one who convinced the mayor to make it a mandate.
Like, New York City found out that you're having sex parties during COVID?
Yeah, it would have been a big deal. Yeah, it would have been a real embarrassment. We went to some underground dance party underneath a bank in Wall Street. And we were all rolling, we were all taking Molly, and everybody's high. And I was so happy because I hadn't done that in a year and a half, a year or whatever. And but I was looking around being like, I wonder if anybody sees me anything differently. Because this was not COVID friendly. Kind of sneaky about it because hotels didn't want people gathering there. Because I was running the entire COVID response in the city.
According to Dr. Varma, he and his wife hosted 2 sex parties in August and November of 2020 and attended a large party in June of 2021. He was making decisions in the city's COVID response between April of 2020 and May of 2021. Dr. Varma released a statement in response to the video. In those private conversations that were secretly recorded, spliced, diced, and taken out of context, I referred to events that transpired 4 years ago. During that time, I participated in 2 private gatherings. I take responsibility for not using the best judgment at the time. Facing the greatest public health crisis in a century, our top priority was to save lives, and every decision made was based on the best available science to keep New Yorkers safe. I stand by my efforts to get New Yorkers vaccinated against COVID-19, and I reject dangerous extremist efforts to undermine the public's confidence in the need for and effectiveness of vaccines. Following the video's release, Dr. Varma was fired from his position as Vice President and Chief Medical Officer at SIGA Technologies, confirmed in an SEC filing Monday. His termination happened just hours after a group of about 100 city workers who had been dismissed from their jobs for not following COVID vaccination mandates or other COVID protocols held a rally at New York City Hall. Thanks for watching our news update. For more stories that matter to you, download the Straight Arrow News mobile app or visit us online at san.com.